Hi there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a space where productivity meets creativity, the study room. Whether you are a student or a remote worker, having an inspiration study space can make all the difference. So let's talk about some awesome study room makeover ideas that will turn your space into a hub of focus and inspiration. When it comes to revamping your study room, the key is functionality. Start by assessing your needs. Do you need ample storage for books and supplies? How about a comfortable seating area? Make a list of must haves to ensure your study room serves its purpose effectively. Lighting is essential for productive study environment. Opt for a mix of natural and artificial light sources to reduce eye strain and boost concentration. Position your desk near a window to take advantage of natural daylight and add task lighting like desk lamp or overhead fixtures for added brightness during darker hours. Now let's talk decor. Personalize your study room with a decor that inspires and motivates you. Hang up motivational quotes, artwork, or photos that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Surrounding yourself with items that spark joy and creativity, whether it's a potted plant or a cozy rug or your favorite stationery. A clutter-free study space is a productive study space. Implement smart organization solutions to keep your study room neat and tidy. Invest in storage bins, baskets, or filling systems to corral loose papers or supplies. Labeling shelves or drawers can also help streamline your workflow and save time searching for items. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on creating inspiring spaces. Thanks for turning in and until next time.